Okay, so this is my last day living at home, and then tomorrow I'm going to drive to Oslo, the capital, and move into my new apartment. So that's very exciting. So this evening, Mom has been fixing some of my pants and a jacket, and now she's finishing up the last pants. And we have been eating out.
Yeah. And can you say what you are going to study?
I don't know the word in English, but it's called socionom. Socionom.
In the region?
Socionom.
Yeah.
And I'm going to start with a bachelor and probably have a master. I'm not sure yet.
Yeah.
So that's going to be very exciting. I'm moving in with a close friend named Frida and her older sister.
Yeah.
So we have an apartment that's quite central in town and close to public transportation. So it's quite easy to get around. And they've already fixed all the furniture and everything's ready. So I'm just going to move up with my clothes and some objects.
Just clothes? Some
kitchen things and some decoration. Computer,
blankets. It's quite a lot though.
Toiletries. Yeah, it's quite a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm going to meet my friend tomorrow, another friend, and then I'm going to drive up to Oslo with her parents.
Yeah.
So Mom was actually going to drive me up later in the week and take a day off, but since my friend, who's also moving to Oslo, asked me if I would join her, and she had a lot of space for my things, we decided that I'd just do that instead.
Okay.
Yeah. Excited, nervous, anxious, scared, happy, sad. All the emotions. It was a bit strange. I can't really vision how things are going to be yet.
Without your mother?
With my mother.
Yeah.
And I move 10 days before the university starts. So I have some time to settle in and get used to the city.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure. It's 1 week of socializing.
Yeah.
So no school, but just people from the grade above my grade that's going to take on groups and make them get to know each other, feel comfortable, have games, just a social week. And then the next week the school starts.
Lots of party, isn't it?
Yeah, the first week. So just parties for a week straight. And then the school starts properly.
Okay.
Just introduction and just the general, and then it's
Okay. Yeah. No. No.
So I hope to come back maybe once a month or something like that, if my mom would be so kind to sponsor the bus ride. And I'll of course come home during the holidays.
And Christmas.
Just Christmas, of course, and Easter and all those big holidays.
Okay, let's say. Yeah.
So I've never moved out of the house. I've lived here for more than 19 years. So it's exciting but quite scary to move out, to be independent, to do everything yourself.
To wash clothes.
Everything. Pay for all your food, for your furniture, for all the...
Even for the toilet papers.
Toilet paper, electricity.
Salt.
All the small things.
Yeah.
It's going to be exciting.
Yeah.
So I'm ready.
Exciting?
For a new chapter.
Or sad?
Both. Bit more sad.
Yeah, okay.
I think it's going to be okay. Yeah, we
you're
get
going
the
to get
student
some
loans.
yeah, and stipend.
Yeah, so that's going to cover most of it. So I'm going to make a food budget. We'll see how that goes, and then I'll just take it from there.
Yeah, I think you will make it.
I hope so.
You will do it very well.
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. So I don't know if I'm going to cry tomorrow when you are leaving. Yeah.
So now it's around 1 in the night, and Mom is going to drive me tomorrow at 7 to my friend's house, and I hope we don't cry.
I think I'm going to cry.
Sad.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to take my stuff over to her car.
Okay, that's it.
And then the journey begins.
Okay, the journey begins.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Chite, thank you so much for the last interview.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Chite in khi thom na da tur kong an local sia la turin han tlan ni khi kalungleng top mai khi a thian nu te in heti lai khal tu tur chu nya mo chonin hei hi kan sei lokang chi te nga pa hian he biak in hi ong heta kan om ta ka chang ka tum lo devin hei hi ti dei la hian then om cha cha ne hei heta hi kaluna om ta ni chu mo hei hi chin ho heti lai grimsta a chin om ho biak in ani chu an fel lu tu ka chin ho yan local ti ra tang hian ti hian poisan tho khoma heti lai kholai li lai taka hian million tam tak man hi ti hian an leita ni chu mania nikuma rebecca sai mo ye local te ha te khan hilai hi aron tlo hemi chunga hian biakina hian aron zai ani ome chuanin hei hi grimsta biak in peng pakhat imi hu se anti thinna ke ni pokan kal thina chin ho lo thlen ma pun an man ma pun mo chuanin ti hian hol lian pui oma in nei na te oma mo engemaw thil ti khom ne unewa achunga son omna omboka alian thavere ulutu ka chon chauka te engkim omvek mo bathroom po toilet po tam taka om inoro in hilen lo angde walang po hi alian dutata achung hi alian vere ulutu ka chu arem avangin kan latel lokani hi tona hian a sei alian khawp mai an che thei an fel na rong kala tangin di hianin mizoram ma tholom angkhan biakin tholom angkhan an lati char ani chu ti chon in thata kan lei the ni hi chuan hi man lai in dik tak ani hi primsta in lian peppo pania tang ti hi chuan a thianu helena pi le pu in anita mo chuanin apu takhi english ani le ngala hetaron om english mo england mi chu kan sei tel mai me ni e hei okay kom Chite hei Chite te an thil phur tu tur mo ani chu chuan tuna hian hei hian khaldona a thian nu le pa in Chite te kom har eskal kom en lit can you look before I drive wow okay Chite okay big lemon okay wait there I must show yeah Chite se yeah det var väldigt rart ikke la kan sitte igjen okay det du går ha det bra Chite vi snakkes van lunglen thak don em a thian nu ten lam phan lo ti khan